Hi everyone, we are from the Silver Group. So at this time, we will present the presentation about computer hardware. So before we starting the presentation, let us introduce ourselves. So my name is Rifan Mahendra as a moderator, and there is Muhammad Badruddin,
Hello friend, my name Muhammad Badruddin.
and then also my friend Ilham,
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ilham Wildan Jailani.
and there is Ahmad Fajar.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Fajar Nur Sidi.
So let's start the discussion. History of development computer hardware. The history of computer development to date is closely related to the ability and progress of human beings, who have always used reason and logic in their life since the prehistoric era. Data processing has been done by humans since time immemorial, thinking of finding tools that can process data faster. For example, you are the one of thousands of people who use Pocket Calculator. This tool can perform mathematical calculation, calculate profit, but that doesn't feel like enough, and humans are trying to find more sophisticated equipment. Computers are the answer. Computers have been used in all areas of human life. Computer tool as data process or arranging from simple to now can be classified into four groups. The first one, manual tools. Use simple tools and hands still play an important role. Mechanical equipment, which is mechanical tool that is driven manually by hand. Electronic mechanical equipment. Mechanical tools driven by electronic motors.
Computer hardware is part a computer system as a device that can be touched, seen physically, and asked to execute instruction from software. Computer hardware is also called hardware. Hardware plays a comprehensive role in the performance of a computer system. There are three main parts in computer hardwares, namely input device part, process, and output device. If one of their parts encounter an obstacle, it will greatly alter the performance of the computer. Number 1. Input device. Input device is a device on a personal computer that serves to enter commands from computer user in the form of text, image, or voice command. Example of an input device. 1. Keyboard. The keyboard is a computer input device that provides input commands. The trick is to type any key from the keyboard and computer will read and accept the typed command. 2. Mouse. The mouse pointer anywhere to user liking. In addition to function as a pointer, the mouse also serves to click, double click, and scroll. 3. Joystick. Joystick serves to give input commands on the computer.
Number 2. Process device. Process device is a hardware that serves to process data provided by input equipment and then issue in the form of information into the output equipment that will be received by human. Example for process device. The first, RAM. RAM serves to store temporary data on the computer. So when you give the input command to the computer, then the RAM memory will temporarily set the command and then it will be sent to the processor to be executed. Number 2, processor. Processor or CPU is computer hardware that serves as the brain or core of a computer to execute a command. Number 3, motherboard. Motherboard is a circuit board on a computer that serves to put and maintain coordination between computer components such as processor, RAM, graphic card, hard disk, cooling fans, and other devices. Number 4, graphic card. Graphic card is a computer hardware that serves to process video signal to produce fast acceleration and a sharp, smooth, and beautiful display. Number 5, hard drive. Hard drive is a computer hardware that serves to store data. Hard disk is the main storage space in a computer.
3. Output device. Output device is a device that can display the result of processing data. Entry result or command on the computer. Output device is a computer hardware that serves to produce an output or display such as graphic, image, paper, or hard copy. For example, monitor. Monitor serves to display image on the user. Currently, the computer monitor is also undergoing some change. If in the past the monitor was filled with a tube type that is large in size and high power consumption, then for now the computer monitor has an LED model and clear image display, comfortable to view and more power efficient. And next, printer. A printer is a computer hardware that is usable for printing result or output. And last, for example, is a speaker. Speaker are hardware that is tasked to process audio signal so that the sound produced by the computer can be heard by the user. Thank you.
Maybe that's all we can say. I hope the result of the presentation that we delivered can be useful for the audience, for all of you. If I feel there are flaws and mistakes, we are apologies because perfection belongs only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.